Let's create this sparkly spotlight eye together using all SAOI Cosmetics brushes. To start creating depth, I'm applying a brown pencil to the inner and outer corners of my eye, then using our S03 brush to lightly blend. I'm pressing a deep chocolate brown eyeshadow onto the eyeliner base using the same S03 brush, making sure to keep the eyeshadow precisely to the inner and outer corners, as the spotlight eye is all about precision and blending. Next, I'm using a contrasting warm brown and our S05 brush to begin blending out the deeper brown towards my crease and centre of my lid. I use the tip of my brush to blend into the crease and then the flat side of the brush to blend on my lid. To finish off blending, I'm taking our fluffy S07 and my bronzer shade to give a flawless transition towards the brow and centre of the eye. Now for the sparkly part. I'm applying a gold shimmery eyeshadow on the centre of my lid using our detailed S02 brush to make sure I have full control of the placement. I'm now taking a loose gold glitter to the very centre of my lid, bringing it just slightly above my crease for a beautiful fade. I've popped on some lashes, and my favourite tip to get them to look more seamless is to get my S01 brush with some black liner and very carefully run my brush along the base of the lash and then use the tip of the brush to fade the black band into the look. For the bottom lash line, I'm copying what I did on the lid, or you could fully smoke out the lash line if you don't want to add the glitter. For the final step, I'm adding more contrast to the look by using the tip of my S02 brush with some black eyeshadow and applying this to the very inner corner of my eye, adding a small inner corner wing and then repeating to the outer corner. And that's it. I really hope you love this look.